What's up guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're going to see how to write a very effective cold email in order to drive some fresh meetings and some sales for your business. So this applies for any type of B2B businesses, whether you have a lead generation agency, some ad agency. Basically you have a company selling a service or product or solution to other companies. So I think cold email today is still one of the best acquisition model because it's very cheap and it's very effective. You can literally launch your business and then send like 100 cold emails to very qualified people and get some very good opportunities like very fast. So I have a lot of experience in sending cold email, whether when I was working for SaaS business as a growth marketer for 2 years, or through my agency for sending cold email for myself or for my clients. Probably sent over 1 million emails in my experience. So I'm just going to give you, like, out of all of this experience, have acknowledged what is the best for me formula for your cold email. So my goal with this video is at the end of this video, you can have like the perfect secret formula to get some very converting mails. So before we go into it, you need to understand that just the writing itself is not going to get you all the meetings you want. You also need to define a very structured ICP and your offer. I'm not going to go into this with this video. I'm simply going to give you like the definitions and how you can structure this later on. So basically, ICP, it's your ideal customer profile. Let's say you have a lead generation agency. Basically, it's gonna be your target. So who are the people who could be interesting by your service? So basically, it's a group of people who share the same problem. So for a lead generation agency, it would be, for example, marketing director at SaaS companies who have just raised funds and who are looking to scale their business. This is an example for this. For a website agency, it would be people who just bought their domain name and who are looking to build beautiful websites. And then you need to build a very good offer. So a very good offer can be a risk reversal. So I guarantee this solution before this time, otherwise you get your money back. Or it can be performance based. You will only pay me if I manage to get you this amount of solution, whatever you sell. So if you manage to have a very good ICP and attractive offer, then crafting the perfect mail is going to be very easy. But you need to get this first in order to have a good email. So what is the structure of a winning email? You need to have a personalized icebreaker. I'm going to show you how to do all of this. You need to have a pain point, and then you need to back it up with a solution with social proof or solution with an amazing offer. So if you're a bit more advanced in your business and you already have some amazing case studies, you can go with the solution with social proof. If you're just starting out, this is good for you because you can have a solution with an amazing offer and you will still get as much meetings. The ideal is if you can have like your solution with social proof and with a good offer. So I'm going to show you an example. This will be also in the link in the description, so you can just copy paste this. So this is the structure. Hey, first name. You're probably busy scaling company name, so I'll get straight to the points. And basically this is your personalized icebreaker. You see, it looks personalized, but you can send this to everyone. It looks like it was very like authentic. You were just going on the guy's website. Okay, you were very busy trying to scale company name, so I'll get straight to the point. It's a type of like natural email you can send on the go. Many ICP, so in my example, it would be many marketing director, have great, and then you can give a compliment to the guy, have great marketing strategy, but lack of technical knowledge in order to grow the email, often limited to resources, expertise, and time. This, you come with your solution backed with the social proof like we talked about. We've been helping companies, like you put one of the companies you've helped get to the solution you have. And with the solution, here is our offer. We guarantee you 5 leads in the next month or you get your money back. May I send you more details on whatever you're trying to sell? And basically, you see this, you're not going for a meeting straight away. You're going for a soft approach where you're just bringing some value. And then if the guy is interested, you can come back. I'm just going to give you an example with not the variable, so you're going to see it's easy to relate to. But basically, just know how the email is structured. Here is personalized icebreaker. Here is with the pain point. Here is the solution. Here is the offer. Here is the soft CTA. So, hey John, as you're expanding Acme Corp, I understand the importance of a strong online presence. Many businesses in the retail sector struggle to showcase their brand effectively online. often due to outdated design, lack of technical expertise, or resource constraints. We've been assisting companies like Fresh Look, Style Novate, or Design Pulse in achieving increasing online traffic and higher conversion rate by developing compelling website designs that resonate with the target audience. Our services are tailored to your specific needs, ensuring a unique and impactful website design. We also offer a satisfaction guarantee, love your new design, or get a free redesign. Could I send you a free template for Acme Corp design signature? And basically here you have it, like the perfect cold email that will get you some sales. So you have like I told you, you need your personalized icebreaker, you need the pain point, and you need the solution and soft ETA, and you can see all of this is in there. Now, so just to give you your recap, in order to get your winning mail shooting straight away, like as fast as possible. So define ICP. So you have your business. Who is your target audience? Who are the people who have a pain point, and how does your solution solve their problem? Build an amazing offer. We've seen example of how to build an amazing offer. It can be risk reversal, performance based. Try to get some social proof if you can. If you cannot, really focus on building an amazing offer, and then use all of these to place them in the email like I showed you. And I can guarantee, if you have all of this perfect, you just need an amount of volume. Just to give you some idea, I usually go for like 1 or 2% of meeting booked. So if you send 100 email, you will get like one meeting on average. And yeah, guys, let's get to action.